What's up, YouTube? It's been a long day. A lot of things going on today. I guess I can show you right after this intro. What's going on, YouTube? I am sorry I'm at a different angle on this camera, so if it comes out a little bit fuzzy or whatever the case may be, I apologize. The reason I have this mic on is for the simple fact that I have the cutter running in the background and it's kind of, I want to say loud. So this is a noise cancellation mic. I used it many years in the truck. Both different versions of it. This is probably my third one, so it is great. You know, it's a Blue Parrot. It's one of the best. $400 for this. As a trucker, you know how much it costs. So today has been a hectic, most stressful day that I've had today so far. Woke up this morning, you know, I got into the studio 4:30 in the morning. I know I have 30 shirt order to do, plus another 2 shirts of Father's Day shirts coming up. It's just been, you know, trying to get prepared, pretty much. So I decided that I wanted to come in because the Father's Day shirt has to do with my sublimation printer. So I come in this morning and I do what it's, you know, just a regular check. Now, mind you, this was 42, actually this is 45, and I've got some more in there that I threw away. So I think we started off at number 40 something print, 41 or 42 print. So I did a nozzle clean or nozzle check, and that's a nozzle check. I did the cleaning. It didn't fix it. Also did the alignment, thinking that it might have been that, but even the alignment, if you can see, the squares are not like, this was my last one. My yellow is good, my magenta's not bad, my cyan or whatever you want to call it, it's a little funky, and my black got better than what it was the first time, but still not up to, you know, what it was giving me before. Now, I'm hoping it's not the Cosmo ink. I haven't used it in about maybe 2.5 weeks. I usually come in here at least once a week or once every 2 or 3 days, and I'll do a nozzle check just to, you know, get some of the ink out of it, and if I have to clean it, clean it. But this time it's giving me a little bit of an issue. And I don't know if it's because I was on the computer this morning making sure all my settings were fine. I'm hoping I didn't do nothing to damage that. I mean, worst case scenario, I'm out $200 something. Big deal. I will have to go get another one. It's just the way it is. And somebody told me to just wait 12 hours and then do another print and see if it all comes back. If not, do a power clean. So I was like, okay, so I'm gonna wait the 12 hours. Tomorrow morning, I'm gonna do a nozzle check. If I see that it's still giving me those prints that are bad, or those missing segments out of those blocks are gone, then I'm gonna do a power clean. I know it's gonna waste sublimation ink, but hey, I'd rather pay another $50 than paying $200 for a printer. But I did print out some things. Let me show you. So I printed this out, and it doesn't look bad. A little fuzzy, but it doesn't look bad at all. And this is just on plain paper. This is not sublimation paper. I was just testing it out to see. And you know, these are the 4 colors, sorry. And it's not so bad. But I need it done. I need to get that fixed. But that's a brand, I mean, this printer is only, I think I changed all the inks I converted it back in December, I want to say. So this printer is like 4 months old, 5 months old the most. So it should be working flawlessly. I mean, I've had printers here that are damn near almost going on 8 years old, and they're still ticking away. So yeah, that was the start of my day. So then I started to cut out all my pieces. I had a 10-yard roll of white, which pretty much I'm down to the bare minimum. The back prints on this are 13 inches long by 12 inches wide, so it's gonna take out a lot. As you can see here, I have most of all my transfers here. I have one that I already did, and yes, I know you guys are gonna say it. Why for 30 shirts are you using vinyl? Are you crazy? So this is the deal. I spoke to the guy and I explained, I'm trying to keep the cost down for the customer. So for me to do transfers, and mind you, I have a 7 to 10 day turnaround. Most of the people that are doing transfers right now, and I'm talking about plastisol transfers or screen printed transfers, not DTF, everybody's behind schedule for some reason. I don't know why, so that I won't be able to get. So that's the reason why I'm doing it on the vinyl. It's 2 colors. It's orange, soda orange from Siser, and the white. So it's just it's gonna be a long day. That's all I'm gonna say. Yeah, so my cutter has been working like a workhorse today. Guys, I am using that bracket. So I have a video up on that bracket. It should be coming out soon, or maybe it already came out. I don't know. I got so many videos that I'm just trying to put them in there, put them not in there. So I try to do what I can. So yeah, guys, that's my day. And then after that, I have phone issues and all kinds of stuff. So I decided to take a little bit of a break. I want to say around 2-ish. I call it lunchtime because that's the time that I eat lunch, 2 o'clock. And I actually happened to see a video from Leverett Apparel, I think it's called. I just want to say thank you for that guy because he shouted me out and he's trying to bring subscribers to my channel. I really appreciate it, my dude. I feel the love from you, and I will do anything to share the love back. So that's one thing that we need to do is shed the love in this industry. Let's get everything going. Let's help each other out. Let's grow together. There's money to be made out here. Clothing would never go out of style. So, and in the last 4 years that I've been doing this stable, I've seen a lot. And most of the customers out there, they really don't care how you do it as long as you get it done and it looks decent. So, share the love, guys. Like and subscribe. Hit that button right now. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Keep my channel growing, please. Hit that notification bell so you can follow me at all times. I'm always out there trying to talk about things. Sometimes I got a couple of vlogs that are, doesn't have nothing to do with the apparel industry, but it is about me and what I'm doing or how, what's happening to me. So just stay with me. And this could take off, man. I really appreciate what he did for me. I think that was a nice gesture to do. He's got a lot of points that he talks about. I've been watching his videos for a hot minute, and I respect the man, especially that shed that he's building. That's a great idea. I just don't have enough space in my backyard to build that shed. I put one shed, 14-foot shed, and they already gave me a problem for that. It had to be a certain amount of distance for waterways, and it's a whole big mess. So I don't want to go through the whole getting all that again. So mainly if I was to get comfortable where I know I probably would rent, I don't want to say storage, what they call a workspace. It's like a small hobby type of storage type of deal. It's pretty big, you know. They're pretty big. They're maybe, I want to say 1,200 square feet or more. So that will fit everything I need, and it comes with an office, so that'll be even better for me. Yeah, so this is gonna be a week of craziness, guys. So just bear with me. I'm gonna try to get as much video as I can out there, and hopefully everything else will run smoother as we go. So guys, on this note, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Try to share this video, push me out there. Let's try to get these subscribers. I would love to do more content for you guys, like always. You know, keep me hyped up so I can keep on going even though I'm busy, but I like to do it. So on this note, guys, peace.